CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.1 Identify components of an operating system. Interfaces. In this video segment, we will explore the two primary interfaces used to interact with computers, the Command Line Interface, or CLI, and the Graphical User Interface, or GUI. Let's begin with the Command Line Interface. The Command Line Interface, or CLI, is a text-based interface used to interact with a computer or operating system. You can imagine it as a direct, text-based way to communicate with your computer, just like having a conversation with someone using written language. By typing commands into the CLI, users can execute various tasks, such as navigating the file system, launching applications, managing files, and configuring system settings, by entering specific commands and receiving text-based responses. CLI provides a powerful and efficient way to control a computer, especially for advanced users and system administrators. Now, our second interface type is a graphical user interface. A graphical user interface, or GUI, is a visual interface that allows users to interact with a computer or software application through graphical elements such as icons, buttons, and windows. In a GUI, users can perform tasks by clicking on these graphical elements using a mouse or touchpad, making it more intuitive and user-friendly, especially for those who are not familiar with entering text-based commands into the command line interface. GUIs are commonly used in modern operating systems and applications to provide a visually appealing and interactive way for users to navigate, manage files, and perform various tasks with ease. One last note. In some situations, the GUI might not be accessible, may not have the necessary tools you need, or may not be available at all, but the CLI will always be there to help control your computer efficiently. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.